So I'm making use of my new truck because this ladder is too short. But anyway, I took this my little night sensor hasn't been coming on and off real well. I'm thinking that might be the light sensor on top, and it doesn't get a lot of light. And I want to run another light down here, but I got to get this wire out, and I don't want to mess up this bird nest because that little birdie lays eggs in there every year. But look at all these freaking bugs and crap that are in there that I got to clean out. Now, luckily, this is on a switch, so I'm going to just hopefully knock all this out and maybe figure out a way. Wow. Man, if I'd have done this when these guys were alive, I'd have been screwed. Wow. Oh, it's so freaking hard. Probably should take it down and replace it, but man. Oh shit. Coming back on my eyes. I don't know if I'm getting that on camera or not. Are you kidding me? Wow. All right. There's so much in there. All right. Well, maybe I'll show you the little fix I got. Because I'm thinking, as it gets up here, it gets too dark. So it's on like it comes on at dusk and on when the light comes on. But it doesn't go off even when the daylight's on unless it's really bright. So if that's the sensor, maybe, which I'm assuming it is, I got a little fix. Watch this. Okay, so these are light controls that are on-off automatically. So the sensor appears to be here. So I'm going to screw this into there and then screw my bulb into this. So even if the other light sensor stays on when it shouldn't, this one will go off and that'll kill power to the bulb. I know, I'm a rocket science. Okay, so that's the light with the new sensor. And now I should probably cut like a clean gasket on that, but I'm going to do it the easy way. I got some foil paper, and I'm just going to wrap that in foil paper. My horses are helping me. What are you guys doing? Dad's working on a project. What are you guys doing? Are y'all super? Anytime I climb on a ladder, these guys are like, let's watch Dad fall off the freaking ladder. All right, let me get back to this freaking fix. Man, working high like that, it's just... That ladder's pretty tall, but man, it just won't reach it. I'm on the top rung, really off balance. So that truck, I know I'm gonna have all the safety sallies. That's dangerous. Whatever. Okay, that's the foil paper. That should hold it. If it doesn't, I'll get up there with a little caulk and caulk it, or cut me a little gasket out of a piece of plastic. And instead of trying to rewire that, I think they're getting in at that little hole right there, instead of where I covered up with foil paper. So I probably need to cover that hole up too. All right, we'll see if that on-off sensor works now. So if I didn't explain it right, when I turn the sensor on, because it's so dark under here, even with limited light, the light comes on really early when it's still daylight out, because it gets darker up there in that corner. If I put the light, I know somebody say, why didn't you put the light outside to where it gets regular light? Because then it wouldn't light up the area that I wanted. I want it to lighten up this area because this is where I do everything. So that's the problem. and that's why I put it there. But it's been an ongoing issue to where it comes on too early and it stays on too late. So I'm burning electricity. So now with the little sensor right there, hopefully it will get more light. And even if the top one gives power, it won't go to the floodlight because it's got that one in between. And that one in between isn't going to send power until it gets light enough, and it's not going to cut it, or dark enough, and then it won't cut it till it gets light enough. So hopefully that will fix it. We will see. There's a little shelter that I took off. It's been kind of broken, and I mean, it was, hell, I don't know, I got that when I moved in here. So it's lasted a long time, even with all the crap in it. All right, well, not there. Well, this light was everything but freaking easy. Cheap Chinese crap using non-standard US crap, trying to get it to fix. Should have been a washer here. They give you a nut that's not long enough to even reach this with the washer. There's like, I mean, there's like zero room. I'm not sure what they expect. I mean, I guess I could have put an X on there, but then there was no room in the back to mount it. This light is pretty crappy to install, but it's pretty bright. So it's still daylight out here. And it should give me some more light. I think it's 5,500 lumens. So anyway, really a pain in the butt. All these tools, you know, I had more damn tools out here cutting off flappy Chinese shit. They put these damn little tags all over everything. It was ain't nothing easy, but it's up, and I ain't gonna mess with it anymore. And that's all I wanted was a damn light up here, besides that other little single digit crap that didn't work. All right, well, out there. Wanted to show the light out here. How much that sucker lights up. It's like daylight out here. Everybody's like, that little light ain't gonna put out no light. That sucker's bright as crazy. It's like crazy bright. 3,000 lumens. Hell, I could do my horse's feet at night. Even lights up over here. So, I wanted to add that in because people were cracking on my caulk job. I see, that's because I put all that caulk around there. That's why it's working so good. All right, anyway, there's a little Texas sunset over there. All right, I'll add this in somewhere.